So in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to learn how to insert pictures. So I'm going to say how to insert. So we're going to learn how to insert pictures in Microsoft Word. Let me try to increase the size of this, put it in bold. So this is what we're going to look at today. First and foremost, pictures play a crucial role in each and everything we do because they facilitate they facilitate uh, the way we understand different subjects. They facilitate the learning of different subjects. Now, when you are dealing with pictures in Microsoft Word, I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedures that you can follow to insert any kind of a picture. So to start with, I'll go and open one of the tabs in the ribbon, and that is Insert tab. When you click on Insert tab, you get a group of tools, and one of them is Pictures, which is under the group of Illustrations. So go to Illustration and select Pictures. When you click on Pictures, on that drop-down menu, you see three options. The first one is Insert Picture from Device, Stock Images, and Online Pictures. So when you select the first one, this one will open for you the what? The directory from your computer, and then from there you can choose where you think the picture is saved. It could be in your library, it could be on a disk drive, it could be on the network, it could be anywhere inside your PC or on the network. If you are connected either to a local area network or just a personal area network. So from there, now it's up to you to understand where your picture is. If you don't have a picture on the computer, then you can use any other tools. And that is what we're going to show you. The other option you can do is by inserting a picture from the stock images. The stock images, these are images which have been designed and put together for study purposes. They, are, they represent different scenarios, like we have pictures related to research, we have happiness, industry, architecture, furniture, agriculture, arts, sea, nature, and so on. And you see, we have many, even environment. All these are pictures that you can pick any of them, and then you can use it to illustrate what you want to demonstrate to anything that you're doing. So these are images, but we also have icons, like you can use icon for environment, or you can do what? You can you can use icons. All these are the icons that you can deal with. We have icon in each and every sector, like music. When select music, we have the icons that represent music. So you can choose any of these icons and then insert it in your Microsoft Word document, and then you can use that to represent a certain scenario. We have for cut out people. Cut out people. This is also yes, I didn't match. I think I have to first remove the music, and then I go to icons. Yes, go to cut out people. Cut out people. This shows different kind of people, and then you can choose like the image you want, that you want to edit using that same format or that form style. Then from there, if you realize that, hey, I need this, you can go ahead and choose which one you want. For example, maybe I want this guy here. I click on that and then select Insert tab, click on it, and then from there, the picture will be added to my document, my Word document. Then you can adjust the size. Of course, by default, when you add this picture, automatically you get another tab that will appear in the ribbon, And now after getting that tab, it will give you a group of tools that you can use, such as how to remove the background, how to deal with correlations, colors, different effect, transparency, different styles. Like you see, we have a lot of styles that you can use. Maybe you can change to that, or you can change to this one. We have different styles and accessibility and different ways you can arrange, and also the size of the picture, how to rotate the picture in clockwise and clockwise, or different angles. You can apply different angles. So all these tools, you get them when you add a picture. When you add a picture, immediately Microsoft Word will insert another tab in the ribbon, which is called the picture format. So you can use that tab to format your picture in the way you want. So the other thing I was showing you, I can first delete this. The other thing I was telling you is that we can insert still under stock pictures. We have stickers. These are different stickers that you can use. There are many of them, so it's up to you which kind of sticker do you want to use. We have illustrations. We have different illustrations. You can also pick one. And then finally, we have cartoon people. The cartoon people, of course, these are cartoons that represent different way, the way people will be. So you can pick any cartoon that you want to use, and then it will help you to communicate the message that you want to send. So apart from these stock images, ladies and gentlemen, there's another way you can add images or pictures. The other way is still under Insert tab. Then the last one, which is online pictures. Realize that online is, when I talk of online, you have to get a picture from internet. We have billions and billions of images which are available on the internet. So finding one of them is the best way. For example, I'm going to give an example in a scenario where you're a teacher and you have a student that you are teaching, and then maybe for example you want to teach them about the keyboard and the computer keyboard, but you don't have a keyboard in your computer. You don't have a keyboard in the in the stock images, so you can get a keyboard online. So just go to Insert tab, then from there select Picture and go to Online Pictures. Then from there you can type computer keyboard. Type computer keyboard. So when you type computer keyboard, now you can see I have a list of keyboard that you can choose any of them. For example, I may choose this or I can choose this. So if I decide to choose this one, of course I'll get this tab for insert. When I click on that, then the keyboard will be inserted. Remember, when you choose this type of images which you insert online, they are free for distribution. They don't have any kind of restriction. You can use them for education purposes. You can, of course, you can even check here under the policy. Like when you click on this, then they give you like what can you do with these images. Like these images, you are free to share, like copying and redistribute the material in any medium or format. You can also remix, transform, and build upon the materials for any purpose, even commercially. But what you have to do is that you have to follow the terms, you have to make sure that the link remains on the image and the but these images have been approved for use. So now after putting this, I think this keyboard is yeah, but this you can still use that. Now if you're a teacher, you can use this type of keyboard to illustrate and show them, hey, you know what, when you use this type of keyboard, maybe I can say here we have the what we call the numeric tab, numeric numeric pad. The numeric pad, these are like the pad which contains numbers from 0 up to 9. Then we have it contains also the operators, and then we have the arrow keys. These are what we call arrow keys. And then we have the alphanumerical keys, alphanumerical keys. Then we have the function keys, function keys from F1 up to F12. And then we have other keys, no control keys. We have so what I'm trying to show is that if you're a teacher and you want a certain thing, and maybe you have an image that you're trying to illustrate to the students, but you don't where to get the image, so it's a high time that you use Microsoft Word to go inside the image from internet, get any image. For example, let me see if I can get for you guys another image. We first delete this one and delete all this. So I can go ahead and insert another picture. I mean another picture. For example, now I'm going to add something to do with the computer motherboard. Computer motherboard. So when I put the computer motherboard, you can see I have many pictures which shows the computer motherboard. So as you can now see, I have the motherboard. So from there you can illustrate to the students, say, hey, this is where I put the memory chips. Here we have the processor, we have this and this. So from there, after that, you can illustrate to the students and the students will understand. What if you don't want this and maybe you want a different image, maybe in biology, you're a biology teacher and you want to illustrate something to do with human skeleton. You just go and type human skeleton, and then from there you'll get all the images. Get all the images about the human skeleton. There's an error on why downloading this. Can get it again. Human skeleton. Mm-hmm. Get this. So wow. So you can see I have the image of the human skeleton. So what else do you want? I think everything is now seen. Everything is covered, and I can any picture, and you can add any shape from internet. You can maybe put the map, maybe map of DRC Congo. I'm from DRC Congo, and I want to know the map of Congo. I don't have it on my computer, saved anywhere, so but I can get it online, and then I use it what? So as you can see, I can get this. I can put it inside this. So now you can see I have the map of Congo showing all the provinces, showing the provinces and the neighboring country. Like I see Central African Republic in the north. I have South Sudan in the north east. I have the Republic of the Congo in the west. I have Angola in the southwest. Then I have Zambia, I have Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda. All these are the neighboring of the DRC Congo. So how did I get? Of course, I use the insert tool that gives me the chance to pick any image, any picture which is online. I can easily bring it to Microsoft Word and then use it. So I don't know, guys, what you're waiting. Otherwise, if you're a teacher or if you are in any department, in business, in non-profit organization, of course, you know the purpose of images. The images are tools which help us to facilitate the understanding of different scenarios. So you can use them to illustrate anything that you are working on. Otherwise, by getting this skill is something very, very important. You have to master how to do it. If you have any question you don't understand, feel free to send us an email or even you can comment down the video then we can show you another way you can do that. Otherwise, of course, we have main thing to do with, like, of course, I talked about the picture format. You see, you can format your picture in any of the way you want, but ladies and gentlemen, for now we're going to stop here. In the next video we shall look at the other tools that you can use in order to master Microsoft Word 2019. And remember what we are doing, I'm using version 2019, but the skills I'm giving you, you can still apply them in other versions of Microsoft Word. So thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video.